Hey squad, what's up? Welcome to DIY Mama Tribe. I am Mama Shira. If you have not been here before, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back, Mama. We've been waiting on you. So today I'm going to show you how I did those closet doors in my daughter's room. In the nursery tour video, there was one panel that was not yet filled in because I wanted to walk you along with me step by step to show you how I did that. My house was built in the 50s, so it has a lot of features like that where the doors have these insets, these kind of like molding sticking out of them, so it has like an inset panel. But there are a lot of different houses like that. Sometimes you have moldings with the insets on the walls. So this is just a way to add like a little pop of pattern. I love me some pattern. No lies detected. So this is a way that you can maybe update it or give it a different look if you like. I'm going to link the supplies and tools that I used. This is a super easy project. This is a renter friendly project. I like to note that because like me, I do like to change things up quite a bit, and so that's why I make things so that I can switch it out now and then. But I know there are some of you out there who are like, I'm not sure about this in my home and you just want to test it out, or you have a landlord to answer to, so you can't do any kind of permanent changes. So hopefully, you know, these kinds of tutorials, these kinds of updates or changes work for you. So I'm gonna get into it, show you how it's done. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If there's anything valuable at all to you in this video, please hit the like button. So let's get into it. So I just wanted to show what the closet doors look like. On the bottom, I used gift bags to fill in those little inset panels. And on the top, you see that there are 4 panels, and I used part of the graffiti wall poster for one of them, and I'm going to fill in with another one. So this is just a close-up of the gift bags and how they came out. So I'm going to show you both ways actually. If you have a bag that you like, or if you have a poster, I'm going to show you using both items. So here, I just wanted to show you guys this beveled edge that I'm going to be working around. All of them aren't this ornate. A lot of times you have straight lines, but this particular house had these beveled edges around the closet door panels. This is her bedroom door. It also has a beveled edge, which I just use kind of to frame out that little frame and laser cut name that I had done. But yeah, it has these top and bottoms. There's Munchkin. And here are the tools you're gonna need. So scissors, a utility knife, a gift bag of your choice, as well as, or a poster. So a gift bag or a poster is gonna work for this. And finally, monkey grip tape. I'll link that below. So here I have a gift bag that's too small, but I just wanted to show you, you know, this is such a fun pattern. I feel like I'm going to use it for something. So I just want to show you real quick where to cut. So you're going to cut down one side and around the bottom. You just want it to be able to lay flat. And now I'm going to cut this bag the same way so I can show you how it fits into that space. Hey, just wanted to pop in one more time and say, if you have any kind of questions, if you have any kind of ideas or suggestions, please put them in the comments below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, back to it. So I'm taking my Monkey Grip two-sided tape. I put it down the side of one edge, right on the inside edge, and I'm going to put a little bit at the top, a little at the bottom, and just cut it off right where you need to. You don't have to like fully frame it out with the monkey tape. Now you want to make sure it's nice and flat, and you're going to peel off one side of it. Can you see that? It's really thin layer. You peel off that backing in order to expose the other sticky side. So now I'm going to take that American Eagle gift bag, and you want the side that does not have the handles. And I'm going to put that right up there, stick it all the way to the tape. So if you see that beveled edge that I had, or the inside crease, I just took my fingernail and went along that, and now I'm going to cut with my utility knife. Just find right inside the edge and follow it along. You're going to be kind of between the tape and the edge of that paneling. And you just go all the way around. I had to get all these bevels, all these corners, and you peel off the rest. Ta-da! Easy peasy. So let's say I'm not really feeling American Eagle that much. You can reuse this tape. That's the great thing about this Monkey Grip tape. You can easily peel off one thing, and it peels off from the door easily as well if you ever want to switch it out completely. And I'm putting up my poster, and I'm just gonna follow the exact same technique. I'm gonna put the creases in just with my hand, and then go in with my utility knife and cut the shape out and take away the excess. And here's how it looks. I will admit that there are some parts that I didn't get exact, but for me, close enough. If you're more of a perfectionist, then by all means, follow it a little more closer, a little more exact than I did. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way this turned out, guys. I feel like it's a fun way that I can update the room, maybe change it out as my daughter's tastes change as she grows. I really like this look. I might do it on some of those doors that in other parts of my house too. So, how was that? I feel like that was a fairly easy project. You could probably follow along with me, like get the supplies and then just hit pause as much as you need to, and we do it together. Tribe, tell me what's up. Is this something that you would do in your home? If so, I want to see pictures. Show me pictures. Pictures or it didn't happen. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much if you're all the way to the end of this video. Please go ahead and subscribe, hit like. I love to see you guys' comments. I love to see your pictures of your projects. And Mama Tribe, Nap Time Warriors, unite. Come on, girlfriends. Have a good one.